Hello guys, today I have a 2015 Seat Ibiza in my garage. This car came in for a spare key. The customer needs a spare key. The car has, this is the original key. Opens, starts. I don't want to start the car because I'm reading the emo data. I ran into some issues on this car. I just wanted to share it with you. I managed to somehow read the emo data on this car. It's supposed to be a very easy, straightforward making a spare key for this car, but I had problem with the Seat Ibizas before as well, so I decided to make a video. Basically, what happens is, even if you have a working key on this Seat Ibiza 2015, this is a normal 48 chip. It's not MQB system. Sometimes it doesn't allow you to read the emo data. Somehow you get the EEPROM, but you can't read the emo data through OBD. But eventually you can. I don't know why. There is this dashboard is a magnetic modelly dashboard, and there's three different type. The EEPROM inside is a 95320 EEPROM. So one of them is very easy, straightforward. You can do it, and then it's got two more type, which one of them is not possible to do with vvdi2. You have to use uprights or different machine, which I can make it, but I'm making this video for vvdi2 users. So I'm gonna start again. I haven't made this key yet. This key doesn't start the car. I'm gonna start again, so I show you how to do it. Hopefully it does the problem again, so I can show what's the issue with this car. So basically, when you go to key lane, you connect your vvdi2 to the car, everything. You open the ignition, you go to fourth immobilizer, you come down. As you can see here, we got three magnetic melodies. That's one instrument with magnetic melody 95320. This is the second type, as in this is the third type. The second type is not possible to do at this moment. When you go in there, it says it's better to do it's better if you have a working key, copy the key. And this one does read, but sometimes to be honest, 5 out of 10 it doesn't do it. So what I found out was you need to keep turning the ignition on and off, on and off, on and off, and then it does read the EEPROM, no problem. But when you try to get the emo data, it doesn't get the emo data. I don't know why. So what I do is I select this, and then I press read EEPROM. Yeah, EEPROM success. That's not an issue. And then when you press read emo data, what we need to wait for the dash to come back on. And then once you press read emo data, I don't know if it's gonna do it now. It's reading it now, but I would say 6-7 times out of 10, when you press read emo data, it says reading emo data failed. If it does that, all you need to do is just turn the ignition on and off, on and off, on and off, carry on doing it, and then press read emo data. Eventually it will read it. But to be honest, first time or second time when I tried this car, I couldn't do it. So I had to take the dashboard out. If there was no key, I had to take the dashboard out. I had to copy the key. And you know, on VVDI, when you're trying to copy the key, 1 hour, 2 hours for the file back. So just wanted to make this video. So if you have this issue, just keep turning the ignition on and off, and then it will eventually read the emo data. But anyway, let's carry on making the spare key for this car. So I have the emo data, which I saved already. I saved it here as Ibiza emo, and this is the EEPROM. So emo data prepare key, Ibiza emo data, open, We're gonna make it, this is a Seat Ibiza, Seat. Next, are you sure you want to make it Seat? Normal key, dealer key, yes. So don't transponder. Okay, we need to put the transponder in there. Sorry, I forgot to put the key. This is a normal X-Horse key with a chip. This is a wired key, so I program the remote first with the vvdi2 tool, and then I put a normal super chip in there, and then I turned it to a 48 chip for Seat. Again, emo data prepare key, load the file, Ibiza emo data. We're making a Seat. Next, yes. Key make okay unlocked, okay. And then now we want to add key. You should back up EEPROM and emo data before key learning, which we already have the emo data and the EEPROM. Okay, add dealer key. There's three options here: add dealer key, learn key, login with security code, and we use this option, learn key, login with security code from emo data, because we already have the emo data. And then we load the emo data again, Ibiza, and then you have to put two keys here, because when you making a spare key you have to reprogram the original key as well. Press next. Is the card has keyless? No. Key learning error. Okay, this is exactly what I was trying to say. Sometimes it gives the key error here, sometimes when you're trying to read the emo data. So turn the ignition on and off. I'll do it 2 times. We go there, here again, add key, we already have it. Then load emo data, Ibiza, okay, 2 keys, next. It's not a keyless, key learning error again. This is what I was trying to say. I don't know why, for some reason this Seat Ibizas after 2009, they have issue with programming a second-hand key. Eventually it will happen, it will go through. Let's try one more time, because I've done this many times. It goes through, but it gives problems like this. It's got tire pressure problem. Okay, let's just start from the beginning. We read the EEPROM. Success. Wait for the dash to come back on. Emo data success. Wait for the dash to come back on. The reason I'm not saving these files, because I already have them. I have the EEPROM and the emo data. And then press add key. Hopefully it goes through that today, because I just want to make this video short. Ibiza emo data, okay. Programming 2 keys, next. No, the card doesn't have a keyless, key learning error again. I just want to keep this video short. This is why I wanted to make this video. So these cars have some issues, or I'm sure the car doesn't have issues. The vvdi2, it's a slightly weak on these Seats, on this dashboard. So I'm gonna use Abrite's or I'm going to carry on, to be honest, I'm going to carry on to do this one, and then once it happens, I'm just going to make a quick short video and add it to the channel to say it is possible, because I've done this many times. You keep turning the ignition on and off, on and off. Sometimes I start the car, turn it off, turn it back off again, and then turn the ignition on. It does happen, it goes through definitely, but it gives a little problem. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.